Dear students, exams can be a stressful time, but with the right mindset and approach, you can perform to the best of your abilities. Here are a few suggestions to help you during exam time. Plan and prepare. Make a study schedule and plan your revision well in advance. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, and exercise regularly. It's important to take care of your physical and mental health during exam time. Stay organized. Keep all your notes and study materials in order, and make sure you have everything you need for each exam. Stay focused. Eliminate distractions, such as social media or TV, during study time. Stay focused on the task at hand. Manage your time. During the exam, read through the questions carefully and manage your time wisely. Make sure you allocate enough time for each question and don't spend too much time on one question. Don't panic. If you don't know the answer to a question, don't panic. Take a deep breath and move on to the next question. You can always come back to it later. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Stay positive and trust that you have prepared well for the exam. Remember, exams are just a part of the learning process. Whatever the outcome, it's important to learn from your mistakes and move forward. Good luck and believe in yourself.